Hey, what's going on, guys? So today I am, if most of you guys don't know, but since I've been gone, and I need to post more content about this, but I did buy a black Camaro. I found out that, and I will post a story on how I came about this Camaro. I need to update my YouTube a lot more. So I bought this Camaro. If you know, if you see earlier on my page, I have a white one also, but I finally got it running. So ultimately, and I'll go in more detail in another video, but ultimately I took the white Camaro that I have. It's getting LS swapped right now. So I took the engine out of there. It was a great 305 that ran pretty strong, and I just put it in here. This car has sat outside for a long time, and so all the engine stuff was rusted. So I just did a rebuild on the 305, even though it ran strong, out of the white Camaro, and I put it in here. And we got it running, we got it driving. There's still some things we got to work out, but I'm gonna drop for a few weeks before I, take it back to my mechanic to, make the adjustments that we need to make. So today I'm just gonna give it a wash and see how it cleans up. Now, this is the passenger side of the car. Like I said, it set out for a little bit. So you see all the dirt in the ground there. Actually, the paint doesn't look that bad here, but it's super faded up there. So just gonna have a new paint job pretty soon here. And I'm gonna get it lowered. New tint, of course, that tint is old. But this is all the befores before I give it a nice quick wash. Nothing spectacular, just get some of the dirt off of it. As you can see, it still has like a nice little shine there, but yeah. Probably gotta do some aligning with the hood there. And that's pretty much it. So let's see how clean we can get this thing, and I'll come back later, show you how clean I got it.
Hey, nowadays the pain follow me. Deal with trauma privately. I don't wanna be a burden, I handle things defiantly. Spent a decade searching for a higher power guiding me. Figured out that faith is not up there, that it's inside of me. Act with execution, what's a plan with zero action? Faced with bad habits, knowing it's a magnet to my imbalance. I'm somewhere between confidence and arrogance. The middle ground is treacherous, I work on getting out of it. Pops is looking down, I feel him every time the sun shine. Back to being unsigned, I only got my bloodline with me going forward, smoking cookie till we heard you taking shots, we pulled up on them, they was gun shy. 2 p.m. in Rome, we at the chapel eating sun-dried tomatoes and a plum wine. Life been like a movie, I don't know how long the run time. Hope it's an extended cut, but when I died, I load my consciousness onto a thumb drive and upload it to the masses. When I pass, all my sets is holographic. Life's as real as you imagine. My Jewish girl was tight, cause I ain't link on the Sabbath, but it's Friday and I got a few robins I need a bask in. Playing traffic, if you wanna play the faction, we don't act, we getting active, stacking cash and dodging taxes. My father was a Catholic, never taught me how to practice, but with music I'm a Baptist. Chris and all these tracks I bless these raps with. Standing in the middle of the mosh, both sides caving on the drive. Praying to my pops and the guys. God, please help me out. Can you spare me for once? Hey, yeah. Can you spare me for once? Hey, I ain't asking for much.
Watch history. All right, I'm gonna finish the rest and then I'll come back later. All right, so here's the final product. That's what it wet. It's got, I forgot what it's called, that coating on the paint, so it would need to be like sanded and buff. I'm not doing all that because I'm getting a paint job. This is the best that I could get it without, sanding and wet sanding and buffing it out. It just shows me a few more things, that needs to be fixed as we go along. We got that piece right there that's kind of loose. And on these Camaros, it's very common for them to be loose like that. See right here where I need to fix that. I think I showed it in the video earlier. Like I said, I'm getting rid of the stripes just because I'm going for the black look. Now, when it is washed, one thing I noticed is when it's kind of washed, my rims, it highlights the fact that they are not like gloss black. So I may take these to get powder coated. I'm not sure yet, because I don't know if I want all black or I like the spot of silver, but we'll see either way. But I think I'm gonna go all black with the rims. And on my white 89, I have 20 inches, and we're gonna see how I feel about these 18s once I lowered it a little bit. I like my 20s on there, but we'll see. So this is how it came out. Just wanted to get all the stuff off of it. Doesn't look that great, but it looks better. And I'm gonna just start making a list of the things that I need to get done on it that I can do, and before I take it back to the mechanic and the painter. So that's my third gen. Really didn't want to get too much details into it. Just wanted you to see it washed and without all the dirt on it. So I'll keep looking at it. It's definitely a project. Just making a list of parts and things I need to get done to it to make it like I want it. So it is a 305, like I said earlier, and I'll keep it the stock 305, and I plan to just turn this thing into my nice daily driver. So we're making progress on it. I'm excited about it. Hey, listen, this is more than a Camaro channel, but you will see me, highlighting my Camaros, my cars. I have the Corvette over there. It's normally in the garage over there, but I need to get some cleaning out done. And so you'll see more videos on those. That over there is a 96 C4. Runs like a dream, man. I got some things I need to do with that to get it perfect. And I'm going to keep these 3 cars for the rest of my life, God willing. And just see if I can make them the best that I can make them. All right. So I thank you for watching another episode of Moments with Maurice. And this channel is going to have so many different variety of things on it. Just pick what you like, and feel free to watch. And always like, share, and subscribe to my channel. It helps me keep producing content. I have been going away for a while, so I'm trying to get back active in it. And I said that earlier. So I hope y'all have a great day today. I'm gonna try to get this edited and uploaded today. So it is Friday, but we'll see if I have time to get that done. I got some other stuff to do, but that is my 91 3rd gen Camaro, shining, sitting pretty in the sun. Y'all have a blessed day. Peace.